Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Rukia Laltia. Let's learn how to make this tasty beef samosa. In a pot, you're going to add 1 kg of minced mince. I've used beef minced mince. Sprinkle some salt, black pepper and some lime juice. Mix and let the minced mince to cook on a low medium heat. Once the meat is cooked like so, then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste each. Mix, then you're going to add some spices. You can add or you can reduce the spices. Personally, I added 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala and some more lime juice with 1 cube of Maggi cube. Continue cooking. Then lastly, you're going to add some chopped coriander leaves with some green chilies, optional if you don't like spices. Continue cooking until the minced meat is nicely cooked like so. Once ready, remove it from the heat and place it aside. You'll need 3 to 4 large onions. Cut them into pieces like so and add them into the minced meat and mix them properly. You can add some carrot or any other extra vegetables that you like, and our minced meat is ready and it's high time to fold our samosas. Folding the samosa, take a small bowl and add 3 tablespoons of flour with water. Mix it properly. The consistency of the flour should be like this, and you'll also need some samosa sheet. These are ready-made samosa sheet, but also the recipe of these sheets is already on my YouTube channel. I'll put the link so you can able to check out this recipe. So when folding samosa sheet, I prefer attaching 2 to 3 sheets like so, but personally I prefer placing 3 sheets. Attach them together and fold them and then add the meat and then fold the samosa as you can able to see in the video step by step. Repeat the same process until you're completely done. Note, when you're folding your samosa, make sure you don't leave any holes so that the minced meat doesn't come out when you're deep frying the samosas. And our samosas are ready and it's high time to deep fry them. Dip the samosa carefully into the oil and deep fry them until they have a nice golden brown color like so. Once ready, remove them and serve them on a plate. You can eat the samosa with some tamarind sauce, some lime or lemon. I'm going to cut 1 samosa so you can able to see how nicely cooked the samosa is. Oh my god, I can able to see this samosa was super crunchy and it was so tasty. To make your samosa more tasty, drizzle some lemon to add an extra amazing taste to the samosa. Oh my god, like this samosa was super tasty. If you've enjoyed this video, please kindly give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe and share, and see you next time. Bye bye.